Hey everybody, Andrew from KUSA here. Quick update on the assembly instructions for the 9mm mag extension. Basically, we'll go through the assembly instructions one more time, starting with removing the base plate of the magazine, using a tool to depress the lock plate, taking the plate off, making sure to put our finger here so that the lock plate doesn't go flying across the room. Take your hand, move the internals of the magazine, take out your follower. Now, what we're going to do to the follower, using a pair of needle nose pliers, we're going to grab the back tab of the follower along the parting line. We're going to grab it and give it 3 bends. 1, 2, 3. To the point where we see a crease in the side of the follower. We're then going to take the follower and reinsert it into the magazine. Should be a bit stiff. We'll put our spring back in and compress the spring all the way down, just like before. Once we get our lock plate inside the magazine body, we're going to take one side of the extension, place it on the side of the magazine, let the lock plate go all the way down, take our other half, sandwich across the top, make sure that both sides are nice and compressed, that everything fits. Then we're going to insert our screws. And we will begin by partially threading them down to seat them in their holes. Once all 3 are seated, we can tighten them down, starting from the outside. Once they're seated, give it 1/4 turn. And there you go. Magazine extension is now fully assembled. Thanks very much, and have fun.